All right, let's try an Omega Harbinger with Nick. First step, get a couple of Dopplers in there and clean his clock. Go get them. They're going to clean out everything except for the Harbinger. They just go through, clean it out. They'll chase the Dervish. They'll kill the Dervish. They'll just chase him around until they get him. Take minimal damage. All right, they're gone. Now let's bring in the Nick. See if we can't kill this Harbinger. Just got to be careful because he will do you in. Come on, Mr. Harbinger, get back over here. Wait till he turns around and goes away. If you shoot him too soon, he'll shoot you right back. Let him get away a little bit. The old zigzag method works on the Harbinger. It's how you can do it and get almost no damage there. Come on, get back here. All right. Have to wait till he comes back. Come on, get over here. I don't want to get caught in this stuff here, and then he'll kill my Nick. Not a good look. That's it. Yeah, I won't give anything. It would give me some thorium. All right, so that's how you can do it. No damage. Go and do